talking about our glass cleaner today. This windshield's dirty and it needs to be tuned up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray this on there, we're gonna wipe it around, and then it's gonna be 100%, no streaks, nothing, and safe on tints. We just had this thing tinted, so I don't wanna mess up our brand new fresh tints on this, and that's a big priority for us. We don't want anyone else's tints to get messed up either. So check this out. We got some streaks in here where there was whatever stuff they use when they put tints on. I've got our glass cleaner, which we've already put into our misting sprayer. This thing's pretty nice because it just has a continuous pattern that never changes. So it's never like a spurt, it's just a continuous aerosol-like spray. I like to spray the rag first. This is a specific for glass microfiber. And what that means is it doesn't leave lint behind, which lint drives me crazy. So we're just gonna wipe it around, and just like that, everything's gonna just disappear. And I'm not gonna be chasing film or streaks or any of that. Again, this stuff is safe on tints and acrylics, so that's a huge perk for me. And the people who have grabbed our glass cleaner have been very happy with it. So I think you guys would like it as well. We're gonna go around to the outside of this thing too, and also tune up the outside of the windshield, underneath the windshield wipers, and where all the grime and stuff is that looks so bad. Another thing this stuff is good on is chrome. We'll show that as well. I like to spray the rag, but sometimes you can just do it right on the glass if you want. Plus I want to show you guys how this thing sprays. It's just kind of a nice pattern. Oh, and this thing doesn't leak. So, I mean, that's the main reason we like these things. Because these always tip over if you carry them around in your car. And that drives me nuts. I know that it drives a lot of our customers nuts too if they have sprayers that leak. So that's one nice thing about the misting sprayer. I'll just kind of work this stuff in, get it to dry up, flip the rag a little bit. Yep. All right, here we go. Cool. All right, let's flip up these. Now I gotta figure out how to get up on the rest of this windshield, man. Oh yeah.
Yeah, a little bit more.
Oh.
Down the, oh yeah, there you go.
Give it a wipe.
Don't forget the creases and the nooks and the crannies.
Oh, I gotta get the nooks and the crannies. Oh yeah, right to the edge, man. This might be the first time this windshield's been cleaned.
Look at that.
Look at that.
It really
Woo! Back down they go.
This stuff is pretty good, huh?
It works I gotta figure out how to get to the top. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, just like these. Oh man. That's perfect. Oh yeah. I can see again. One other thing this is good for, this is great for cleaning all kinds of stuff, you know, just odds and ends. But on chrome, it works really good. So on chrome, same thing, you spray it on and go. You can spray it on your rag first if you want or not, but as you wipe this in, it's just gonna take off any of the junk that's on your chrome and leave nothing behind. And there it is. There you go. Much better. So if you want a chance to win this awesome setup we used today, of course not the same exact ones I used today, those are mine, but we're gonna give you guys a fresh set of those. If you want, tag 3 of your friends on the post from last Wednesday on our Instagram page, and this coming Wednesday, we're gonna pick a winner. So you can get this awesome misting spray bottle with this fast detachable bottle that doesn't leak and is super great positive displacement spray. We got our glass cleaner, safe on the tints and acrylics, and super nice to use because no film, no streaks, and it's just fast and easy. And then this awesome glass specific microfiber. So this will be what we're shipping out this coming Wednesday, so don't miss a chance to win. Good luck.